Hi there, my name is Victor and I'm a laserist from Sydney, Australia. Being a full-time student, I didn't really have much of a budget when investing into my first laser, so that led me to more economical models such as the Unity Raw 3. So I purchased a Unity Raw 3 as well as an FB3 which came with Quickshow from Pangolin. Now, ever since receiving these units, I've been extremely impressed with the quality of not only the units but also the software and the support from Pangolin. My first impressions when receiving the Unity Raw 3 were just how well built the unit is. It's a very solid unit and it comes with a lot of extras that you won't really find in many other cheap lasers. So it comes with an e-stop box, which is great for safety, comes with the power con and keys and interlocks, as well as one of the longest elder cables I've ever seen, or one of the longest cables I've ever received from any sort of purchase, which is amazing, of course. As for Quickshow, which comes with the FB3 that I bought, being that it's included for free with the FB3 unit, I've also been extremely impressed with the mileage I've been able to get out of the software. Basically any effect that you can think of, you're able to make it in Quickshow, and that has been really great for me when exploring my ideas with lasers and figuring new things out. Quickshow has been a really great tool for me to use, and it's extremely reliable and comes with a lot of features such as the beam attenuation map, which has helped me keep my shows safe. Lastly, I want to talk about Pangolin support. So I believe this is what sets Pangolin products apart from other manufacturers. The support team at Pangolin is truly world class, and it's almost scary sometimes just how fast the support team replies to me when I have an issue with Quickshow or my lasers. If I don't know what's going on with one of the scanners sometimes, I always get a reply back within a day's time. And anytime I run into these issues or I don't know what's going on, I can usually rest easy because I know that I have the support of Pangolin, who are always going to reply on time with a really well written response from a team that truly knows their products. So I would say that if you're looking to add some new lasers to your club, or if you're in the position that I was in just a few months ago, looking to get started into lasers as maybe just a hobby, or maybe you want to start it as an actual career, you really can't go wrong with the Unity series of lasers. They're very well priced, the performance is great, the build quality is great, and most importantly of all, you have the support team at Pangolin who are going to make sure that your experience with their products is as smooth as can be. Thank you.